question. Now I can hear you. Yeah, there was some problem. All right. So tell me now, how to do this question. This question is basically on it's an age question, ages question, right?
Yes.
So how can we do this? So
C
get a
the
question.
answer?
What's the answer?
C.
B.
C for cat.
Yes, perfect. It is C. How did you do, Piyush? How did you do this?
Just form one equation. M is equal to 2 bracket open G minus 10 bracket
M
close.
is equals to 2 times of G minus 10, right?
Got a relationship between M and G and put it in the required equation, which is M plus G plus 8.
Okay, M plus
G plus 8 ढूंढना है, right?
Okay, why am I supposed to do M plus G plus 8?
Because it's requiring the sum of Mason and Gunther's age 4 years from now. So current age is M plus G, and 4 years from now for both these will be plus 8.
Agreed, right?
Then just put the first relation in the second equation. You get 3G minus 8, 3G minus 12.
Okay, so you're saying to keep it here, right?
Yeah. Just put
M
it
is
like
equals to 2G, that is 20, okay, 2G minus 20
plus G plus 8.
plus G plus 8, right? And
3G
we have
minus 12.
3G minus 12. Right, perfect. I agree. But how many of you were able to think like that? Definitely. I do not have, absolutely, this is perfect, right? But is this clear? Yes, Deljan and Nisha?
Yes, yeah, when I see this, yeah, it is clear, but then I don't think I would have approached it that way. I don't know. Yeah.
Right.
I don't think I would have gone for this. So, yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's do the other approach. Fine. Piyush, this is perfect, right? Absolutely no problem. But okay, now let's, so we can go ahead with this also. If it comes to you immediately and you can answer this as quickly as like this, definitely go ahead, right? Absolutely no problem. And this is correct also and perfect, right? And you were able to answer this quickly. But what if like it is taking time, right? Then the next approach again, what we can use here is, let's go ahead with, do we have variables here? Yes? Yes, Nisha?
Yes, there are variables. Yeah.
We have variables. So definitely we can use a smart number strategy. Now, how to use this smart number strategy? Again, something very important, that we are given something for Mason and Gunther, and we need to work with the present age. We need to work with the age 10 years ago, and we need to work with age 4 years from now, plus 4, right? Now, what is the relationship given here? If Mason is now twice as old as Gunther was 10 years ago. So, what do you want to take? And for which variable you want to take the smart number? Just go ahead with this. If Mason is now twice as old as Gunther was 10 years ago. So, whose age you want to? Yes?
Gunther's age.
Gunther's age 10 years ago, right?
Yes.
So, Gunther's age 10 years ago, what do you want me to take? Some easy number.
20 maybe.
10?
Yeah.
10, 20,
yeah, 20,
you can work with it. 10 or 20 could be. So now, so this is 10 years ago. So what is the age of Mason now?
20.
20, right? And what is the age of Gunther, right? That is now, because his age 10 years ago was 10 years, right? So what is his present age? 20, right? Now what will be the age of Mason 4 years? In 4 years? What is the age of
24.
Mason? 24. What is the age of Gunther in 4 years?
24.
24. What is the sum of their ages? 48. 24 plus 24,
48.
that is 48, right? So sum is 48. Now, what we need to plug in? What is given? If that is G is the Gunther's current age in years. So G is equals to 20, right? Current age. So that means G is 20 here. Now let us substitute. So if we substitute the number G as 20, so tell me now whether this is going to be the correct answer? No.
No.
Right? Eliminated. What about this one? 60 plus 28?
No.
No.
88,
Right?
no.
And what about this one? 60 minus 12? 48. Yes.
48.
Right? So we will hold it. But of course, this is not the correct and this is also not the correct because these two will give us negative answers, right? So the correct answer is this. So see, the point here is if you are able to get the equation as fast as Piyush got that, I absolutely do not have any problem. You can go ahead with that. But if it is not clicking, I think if you practice, this is not, I think, I am sure, and I recommend this again, that you can go ahead with a smart number strategy approach whenever you find that you have variables in the answer choices. Now, the two important learning outcomes, what we have from this question, can you tell me what are the two important learning outcomes we have from this question? Yes, Jelzan?
So one is to maybe use the answer choices and try to substitute the values and pick the smart number and see that. So that-
Okay, and what is the second one, Nishya?
Yeah, again, decide on which variable to have the smart number.
Right, deciding on which variable to have the smart number, and at the same time using the right table. We have organized the information here, right? We have used the table, something like table, and here we have the timeline, right? So hope this is clear. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Piyush, definitely your approach was 100% correct. Absolutely no problem. If you get the answer in a short time and 100% correct, go ahead, right? But then use this approach also.
Definitely.
I will recommend both. So
Right.
definitely you need to know both the ways, right? But if that is taking time, then go ahead with this, because I know a smart number definitely, and with the right tool, you will get the answer quickly. And if you can get the answer with the equations immediately, just go ahead, right?
Right.
Okay, now moving on to the next.